Did you know that the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB, has discovered the existence of illegal junk fees in certain financial products, including bank accounts, student loan accounts, auto loan accounts, and other financial products? Upon notification of some of these junk fees, some of these companies have taken actions to remedy or correct their practices and have reimbursed consumers some of these junk fees. In this video, I will bring to your attention some, but not all of these junk fees as uncovered by the CFPB. Hopefully you can use this information to see if any of them apply to your financial situation. And if so, perhaps you can use this information to take corrective action. But before that, please check out this brief disclaimer video. This is Ryan Ramsran, an attorney in Palm Beach County, Florida. Welcome to my channel. The purpose of this channel is to provide general information about the Florida real estate market. It is not designed to provide specific information tailored to any individual real estate transaction. If you need this type of information, please consult with your own attorney, real estate agent, property insurance agent, settlement agent, or any other service provider that you choose to work with for your particular situation. The viewing of content on this channel does not create an attorney-client relationship between the viewer and the law office of Ryan A. Ramsran, PA. Although every effort is made to provide accurate content on this channel, because the Florida real estate market is so dynamic, there's no guarantee that the information will be accurate when you view it or will remain accurate in the future. The law office of Ryan A. Ramsran is a title agent with Attorneys Title Fund Services, LLC, and issues title insurance policies underwritten by Old Republic National Title Insurance Company. The firm also represents companies and individuals in the acquisition, sale, and development of commercial property, such as hotels, warehouses, and industrial property. If you believe my firm might be a good fit to represent you in real estate matters, please see the firm contact information under Details in the About tab of this channel. In addition to real estate matters, my firm also accepts personal injury cases, as well as cases related to the violation of individual civil rights. Please note that these cases will be referred to another law firm. However, under no circumstances will the client be responsible for paying fees or costs in addition to what they would be paying if they only hired one law firm. Again, thanks for viewing content on this channel, and let's get back to the content we were looking at before. Thank you. Welcome back. So regarding deposit accounts, the CFPB has identified situations where certain institutions have charged overdraft fees against positive accounts with an authorized debit, but due to intervening transactions, the consumer was charged an overdraft fee. Also, the CFPB has identified situations where certain institutions have charged multiple NSF or non-sufficient funds fees on one item against an account with an insufficient balance. In the area of auto loan financing, the CFPB has identified situations where some loan servicers have been charging inflated estimated repossession fees, where the consumer is charged $1,000, whereas the typical cost for repossession is $350. In addition, some of the other problems seen in the area of auto financing involves situations where consumers were charged late fees in excess of what was described in their finance contract, as well as some consumers being charged late fees even though their automobile has been repossessed, their loan has been accelerated, and therefore no payments are due, and therefore no late fees on those payments should also be due, according to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. In the area of student loan servicing, the CFPB found situations where certain student loan servicers would accept payment from consumers via credit card, even though this method of payment was not authorized by the servicer, would then subsequently cancel the payment without notifying the consumer and offering them an opportunity to pay with the appropriate way or the appropriate means that the servicer will accept. I would just simply go ahead and charge late fees and additional interest fees to the consumer. In the mortgage loan servicing arena, the CFPB identified situations where some consumers were charged late fees at the maximum amount set by state law, even though the mortgage contract between the lender and the consumer called for the charging of a lower late fee. In addition, some consumers were charged fees and costs that should have been waived for them under benefits provided by the CARES Act. Some lenders also charged consumers for property inspections, which was unnecessary. And lastly, it was found that some servicers charged PMI insurance premiums to some consumers where it was not required. The problem fees that I identified in this video is just some of the fees identified by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau as problematic in its March 8, 2023 publication. You could find the full publication if you visit the CFPB's website at consumerfinance.gov. If you've been subject to these types of fees, I'd like to know about it. So please feel free to email me at ryan@ryanramsaran.com. If this information was of some use to you, please like and consider subscribing. Otherwise, be safe out there.